All right, we have our wire coming from the ground block here that goes over, a little service loop, go down, and goes in the ground and underneath. Now all this deck, if you look in one of my past videos, this deck was not here. They're building it now, and they just happen to want to put a 4x4 post down here. So now I get to run a new one from here back over there above ground, put a splicer here, just to get everybody back up so when they finish this, and then we can finalize this. But let's get new ends on it before this rain gets here. Always trying to beat the rain lately here.
It's not in the camera.
Just something because I don't want it to be too short.
Yeah. I'm sorry?
Now you know every time you say something fast, you're being picked up. Maybe with this video here, I'm going to put nothing but music in the background, so you can say all you want. That's why you don't see on this video, because I'm going to talk about on this video, so talk with stupid. Stuff on stupid, stuff on stupid. Oh.
Look at it.
All right, that should get everybody back online. Everything's connected. It's just a temporary until they finish the deck. Then I can go in there and bury it and run it through the pipe and all that. But right now, I run it right over and drop it down underneath the deck. Got it here so it'll be sealed. Sealed real well right there. I don't like the way that's poking out right there. I'm going to fix that. Yeah, that looks a lot better. More all the way around. Okay, I'm just going to put that there just like that for now. Now I'm going to check online, be sure it's actually online. That should got everybody back online.